The following video is a Chevalier vertical milling machine. It's a model EVS, which stands for Electronic Variable Speed, which you can control your speed right here. You have your display tack. This is your low and high switch. So we'll put it in low to start. Left is, right is forward, left is reverse. 240 RPM, 400, 500, 600, 700, and that's in low range. Slow it down a little bit. We're going to put it in high. Put high, forward. That's 1,000 RPM. $1,500 RPM. 2,000. 2,500. Now this machine also has a power down feed on the quill. Gauge the power down feed. She's feeding down to its set spot. And then it kicked out. Now if you want to engage it again, break. Again, the following video is a Chevalier vertical milling machine. It's a model EVS.